I'm Chef Cynthia Louise and welcome to your 14-day stop. 1, 2, 3, action. So I've been keeping all this amazing bits and pieces, as you can see, seeds and skins and corn cobs and pumpkin skins and onion skins and everything that's been chopped up here in this incredible space in the last few days has gone into this bowl, and it's sat in the fridge, and I've covered it with plastic wrap or put a lid on it, like a plate or something. And all you're going to do, and this is so simple, and I hope this lasts for you forever, because it's one way to reduce really crappy sodium in your life from packet vegetable stocks, right? And to really enhance nature in your body. So you need a really big pot. So this is around about a 10-litre pot. And then you're going to add all this glory into here. And then we're going to add water. So that's around about 5 litres of water. And you just want to put your hands in there, seriously, and break this all up. I need more water. Beautiful. Okay. Salt and pepper, building blocks of flavour. How much? Well, I'll show you how much. And pepper. Then you're going to get your hand or a spoon. It's up to you. Hands in food is like energy. The seasoning's in your hands. So for me, it's like my hand's going to go in there and I'm going to stir this around. If you don't like what I'm doing right now, close your eyes and use a spoon and just know that you're loved. It's one of the big things, right? We judge a lot. And so as I've stirred that, I'm going to taste it. And what I'm after is salty water with a little hint of pepper, like very slight hint. And I need some more salt, and I need some more pepper. There we go. Lid on. Super high heat. Bring it to the boil and allow this to boil rapidly for a little bit, like 10 minutes. And then turn it down to a simmer and let it simmer on the stove for a good hour and a half. And we're going to have the most delicious stock for one of the next dinners in this challenge. So the stock has been simmering away very gently for over an hour and a half. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to let it sit. So turning it off and allowing it to sit. So have a look at this. All those flavours, I just hit myself in the face then. All those flavours are just beautiful and it's just incredible. So a good 10-minute rest. Now the most important thing about cooking this is leaving the lid on throughout the cooking process. It's very important because the water doesn't evaporate then. And I brought it to the boil, right? Remember that boiling period of 10 minutes? And then down to a simmer, hour and a half. Now 10-minute rest. Then we're going to strain and I'm going to allow it to completely cool before I bottle it. So now it's rested for 10 minutes. Got my amazing colander here. I'm just going to sit on top of a large pot. Be mindful of this because it is hot. It's going to go straight into here and I'm going to strain it. Oh my God. It's like having a facial. And you will make a bit of a mess, trust me, and that's okay. And you need a ladle. And this is what we need to do. We need to push down all that incredible juices. And by doing this, we're getting every last bit of moisture out. That's what we want. That's going to go into the bin or into the compost bin. This is going to set aside ready to make my risotto. I got a little bit of a mess here, but that's okay. That's what happens, right? We're not perfect. It's a good idea to taste it actually, just to see what all those skins did. Perfect. So before you bottle this, so I've got my bottles ready, but it is way too hot to go into here. This has to cool down completely. Very, very important, and it lasts up to nearly a week and a half in the fridge. And sometimes I put it into a Ziploc bag when it's completely cooled down and put it into the freezer, and I weigh it or I measure it so I know how much is in there, so I have that on tap. Okay, next recipe.